Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something I'm going to work on getting fixed. It's been bothering me ever since I got this different truck of mine here. I really like this truck. Lots of things I like about it. But the one thing that bothers me is when I go to back up, especially at night, I have trouble seeing stuff around. It's just lit very poorly. So today I'm going to show you, I've got these new backup LED bulbs. I'm going to replace the existing ones in here. I'm going to show you the difference it makes. Where I'm at, I don't have any street lights necessarily. I've got a yard light out there, but if you got little kids running around, pets, a lot of times you want to make really sure that you're not going to run into something, or maybe accidentally run into your son's pickup or something. Happens. So I'm going to show you what I have. It's a really simple job. Anyone can do this. It's a big improvement. A buddy of mine told me about these, and I've seen them on his truck, and they're really bright. They'll light up everything. Part of my problem is I have tinted windows, and that is an issue, but I like the look of the tint on this pickup, so I'm not going to take the tint off. So hopefully this will fix it. Let's get going. Aside from the LED bulbs, link in the description if you want to get some of these for yourself. This is a 2018 GMC. This particular one will be the one you want. Not to get too sidetracked here, but these little bitty tabs here, there's two different widths of tabs, so you got to make sure you get the right width to match your vehicle if you're going to get these. Otherwise, all you need is a T15 screwdriver and you're in business. Let's go. This is how easy it is. Got my T15. Just screw here, take them out. So there's these two screws here, and around the back side of the taillight there's two plastic tabs that kind of hold it in place on the body panel, so it won't come falling out once I remove just these two. So those two are out. This should come out a little bit, and just work it free. Here's those tabs here that I was telling you about just a minute ago. On the back, or on the inside, there's three bulbs, and where the clear lens is, that's the one we're going after, so it's the middle one. So take it, quarter turn, pop it out. There's the old bulb. Let me go grab the replacement bulb. This is it out of the package. Doesn't seem like much, but each one of those little yellow spots is a diode, so LED, light emitting diode. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 on the end, 6 on this side. So there's lots of them, and they put out lots of light. So it's as simple as putting it back where you had the other bulb. Clicks into place. Back in there in reverse order, click it into place, align the two tabs back into the body panel there, put your two screws back in, and we are done. Let's see what we've got. So I guess I better go do the other side. Let's get that done. Then I'll show you how it turned out. This is the before. And here's the after. Whoa. I don't know how well you can fully appreciate that difference on the camera, but that is a lot brighter. Well, I just hopped in the cab, looked through the tinted windows into my mirrors, put it in reverse. The light it let out was quite a bit better. It's not, you know, twice as bright as it used to be, but I would say at least a 30 to 40% increase in the brightness. And that's a welcome thing because it's so much better than it was. So you can see how easy it was. Click on the link below if you want to get something like this for yourself. When you go to the website, just click in your make and model and it'll kind of match up to your needs. But thanks for watching. This is a great upgrade for any vehicle.